Student, let us to discuss about in this video what is kinematic chain, right? So the meaning of kinematic chain, it is an assembly of kinematic pairs joined in such a way that each link forms a part of two pairs and the relative motion between the two links or elements is completely or successfully constrained motion. If each link is assumed to form the two pairs with the two adjacent links, then relation between the number of pair P forming a kinematic chain and the number of links L can be expressed in the form of L equal to 2P minus 4, right? Since in a kinematic chain each link forms a part of two pairs, therefore there will be as many as links as possible as the number of pairs. Another relation between the number of links L, okay, and the number of joints J, right, which constitute a kinematic chain is given by the equation, that is J equal to 3L 3 by 2 L minus 2. So this is the second equation. So equation number 1 and 2 are applicable to only chain, kinematic chain in lower pairs are used. This equation can also be applied to kinematic chain in which higher pairs are used. In such case, higher pairs may be taken as equivalent to the two lower pairs with the additional links or elements. So for example, I would like to take the example of reciprocating steam engine to understanding about the kinematic chain. So here I am going to show the diagram of reciprocating steam engine. Here it is the reciprocating steam engine. Crankshaft and bearing forms a first kinematic pair, right? Connecting rod, right, and the crank form second pair, and piston with the connecting rod forms a third pair, and the piston with the cylinder, okay, forms a kinematic fourth pair, right? So the total combination of all these four links is nothing but a kinematic chain. I hope you understand what is the kinematic chain. That means I already told you in the definition, kinematic chain can be defined as an assembly of kinematic pairs joined in such a way that each link forms a part of two pairs, okay. So and the relative motion between the links or elements is completely or successfully constrained. So let us to discuss about the next one, definition of machine. See, in first videos I already discussed what is a machine, okay. So machine is nothing but what it is a mechanism or combination of mechanism which apart from imparting definite direction to the parts, and also it transmits the power and modifies the available mechanical energy into some kind of desired work. So in this position, even I also discussed what kind of energy is available, right? So there are there are so many types of energies available to converting some energies forms and availability it is to do some particular type of work, right? And let us to discuss about what is a structure. So structure is nothing but it is an assembly of number of resistant bodies known as member with no relative motion between them. This means it will be carrying only a load having straining action. For example, it may be railway bridge, okay, roof truss, machine frame, etc. And let us to discuss about difference between the machine and structure. See, first point, the part of a machine moves relative to one another. For example, you can take in case of reciprocating steam engine, the piston is connected to connecting rod. So these two parts are movable. So and in case of structure, no, do not move relative to one another, right? Second point, a machine transforms the available energy into some useful work, okay. In case of structure, in a structure no energy is transformed into useful work. So it means, as you know that in the first video I given a lot of examples, like a machine will transforming the available energy into useful work. That means, for example, in case of mechanical energy, machines uses mechanical energy to do work, okay. And in case of thermal energy, it is related to the temperature, okay, which we can use solar radiation to cook the food. So these are the available energy to transmitting the power into useful work. So in case of structure, no energy is transformed into useful work. And third point, the links of a machine may transmit both the power and motion, but in case of structure, only force, okay. Fourth point, machine can have one or more mechanism, but in case of structure it does not have mechanism. So a lot of examples here, you can take the drilling machine, lathe machine, etc. All these are related to machine. As in case of structure, machine frames, bridge, etc. So these are examples of structure. I hope you understand all these definition of machine, structure, okay, kinematic chain, okay. So we will explain continue in next video. Thank you.